Okay, in addition, we have some Alexa products in the kitchen. For instance, we have an Alexa microwave, and what we can do is we can tell it to cook an item for, you know, however long we'd like it. So it's got a cup in here already, a cup of water. Alexa, turn on microwave for 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
And here we go. So we have it paired, of course, with the other Alexa, but this is an Alexa activated microwave as well. And so it knows to move it for 10 seconds, and then it's done. And you can ask it, of course, to, you know, turn on for however long you need.